Hi, in this tech tip, we'll go over disassembly of your Ruger American Rifle Gen 2. We'll start by ensuring that we're unloaded, making sure that first the safety is on, removing our magazine and confirming that that's empty, and opening the rifle, visually and physically inspecting that there's no ammunition. We'll start by removing the bolt from the rifle. To do that, we'll depress the bolt stop on the left side of the rifle for a right-handed gun, and pulling the bolt back, sometimes making it easier to roll the bolt handle over to give you more space between the comb and the bolt. We'll set the rifle aside and start by removing the bolt shroud from the bolt body. To do this, we're going to turn the cocking piece about 30 degrees until it's down the center line of the bolt handle back and the cocking piece. At that point, we can pull the shroud back, drop it off, and separate it. We can clean and lubricate that later. And our next step will be to separate the barrel action from the stock. Now, this rifle is configured with an AI style magwell. If your rifle looks different, consult your instruction manual. Just know that the main goal is to remove the 2 action screws from the buttstock, and it's all about the same from there. To do this, we need our safety glasses and a 3/16 ball end hex wrench. We'll start by breaking both the action screws loose, at least a couple turns. Now, the updated AI magwell lets us get into this rear action screw without disassembling the latch. So we'll push the latch forward, and that ball end wrench can drop into the hole. We'll find the head of the screw and start backing it out. When we're a couple turns out, finish removing the front action screw. And at that point, we can separate the AI style magwell. Note that the front action screw is loose, but the rear action screw is captive underneath that latch. And now the stock can just lift straight off of the barreled action, and the gun can be deep cleaned, your trigger can be adjusted, whatever else we need to do while these two are apart. At this point, we've disassembled the Ruger American Rifle Gen 2. For instructions on how to reassemble your rifle, as well as other tech tips and information, visit Ruger.com.